everyone. The counter trend bounce in markets that we discussed continued today. Separating the signal from the noise is a very powerful ally to a trader, especially when markets have been changing direction after a very long-term uptrend. One must be very clear about any further resumptions higher. Are they real? Are they solid? Well, in order to get a great sense of that, the TRP Toolkit and strategies over here fired off a sell signal on last week's weekly bar. We can see that on the cyan dot right over there. We've got targets on the way down, but again, that's a sell signal while we've got the rising channel still in play. So 462.51 is the potential. However, there are counter trend bounces that do play out, and look, we're not going to dig our heels in, but the signal suggests a rise into falling resistance in the weekly chart format, speed lines, channel on the daily format, and channel on the 4-hour format. Now, these time frames throw their signal out a different amount each, and the most relevant that we need to focus in on for the balance of the week are both the daily and the 4-hour, and we are rising, declining in momentum into that next resistive structure, and that would be the falling channel. Now, if you were part of the Hour of Power earlier this morning, you would have heard Rob come into the room and discuss exactly this. We're not out of the woods. We've got more clearance we need to get above. And he was talking about the NQ, Nasdaq futures. I'm displaying the SPY right now, and if we're to get anywhere above the top of the daily channel, which is around $511.73, there is then some potential for this counter trend bounce to be something other than the aforementioned. So this is a moment in the market where active traders need clarity, and I hope that the clarity I've just provided using these award-winning, competition-tested tools and strategies gives you a cause to pause about whether or not today's market move has some more depth. Now, tomorrow, I'm very much looking forward to teaching a dedicated class using these tools and strategies and how I am using them to trade these markets. Tomorrow, Wednesday, April the 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 7 a.m. Pacific, we get started with our straightforward strategies for both day and swing traders, all account sizes. I can't wait to see you there. Share the market insight, and most importantly, cutting through the clutter, getting the signal out from the noise in a very powerful and effective way. Have an incredible rest of your day. Go to becomebettertrader.com/yes. We'll see you there at 10 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow, Wednesday, April the 24th. Have a great rest of your day.